Looking for the right email marketing platform in 2025? Meet Klaviyo and Omnisend, two powerhouse tools tailored for e-commerce marketers. We'll compare pricing, features, automation, analytics, so you can choose the right one for your business. So Omnisend is generally more budget-friendly. Plans start at around $16 a month for 500 contacts, 6,000 emails, while the Pro tier, 2,500 contacts, unlimited emails, plus bonus SMS credits. It's about $59 a month. Klaviyo has a free plan for up to 250 contacts, but pricing ramps up quickly. About $60 a month for 2,500 and $1,300 a month for 100,000 contacts. On average, Omnisend runs about 44% cheaper than Klaviyo. So Omnisend excels in ease of use with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, pre-built workflows, and gamified list opt-ins like Wheel of Fortune or scratch cards. Klaviyo offers powerful automation, deep segmentation, customizable flows, dynamic content, AI-powered predictive sending, and more robust email builder control. Omnisend supports basic segmentation like cart abandoners, multi-channel messaging via SMS, email, and push notifications, and Klaviyo stands out with advanced segmentation based on behavior, predictive analytics, and unlimited customizable segments tailored to your customer data. Omnisend provides standard metrics like opens and clicks, advanced analytics, and extended data history require a pro plan. Klaviyo delivers in-depth insights including revenue attribution, flow performance, predictive customer lifetime value, cohort trends, and deliverability monitoring. So use Omnisend if you want a straightforward, cost-effective, multi-channel platform that works well out of the box, especially great for small to mid-sized e-commerce businesses. And Klaviyo if you demand top-tier segmentation, predictive analytics, deep integrations, and are willing to pay for advanced capabilities and scalability.